Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. This will be the first video in a new series where I'll be giving you monthly updates on my investment portfolio, sort of sharing how it's performing and explaining any stocks that I've been buying or selling. I'm currently using Freetrade as my investment platform, which I'm fairly happy with, and I've got both a stocks and shares ISA account and a general investment account. Before I jump straight into the portfolio, just a disclaimer to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So the current value of my stocks and shares ISA is £26,336. It is currently down by just over £5,000, and again that's to be expected given the current market conditions. As you can see from this graph, I started invested in December 2021 and I've slowly dollar cost average up until now. So looking at the current positions in my portfolio, the biggest is Palantir, which is a big data analytics company. It is one of the more higher risk speculative plays in my portfolio. But it's a risk I'm happy with taking. Based on my research and conviction in the stock, I believe in the next 5 to 10 years I will make a good return on this company. The next two are ETFs, the FTSE All World and the Nasdaq 100. Again, I'm trying to increase my position in ETFs because it provides diversification of my portfolio and sort of lowers the risk with some of the more higher risk plays such as Palantir. The next four are the sort of four big tech giants. You've got Google, Meta, Microsoft and Tesla. Again, all in the red, Tesla being the highest drop out of all of them, given the current sort of price drop in the Tesla stock. I've also got a fairly decent sized position in Boohoo, which is a UK fashion retailer. Again, this was one of the first stocks I bought, and it's down a good 26%. So we'll see how that performs in the next couple of months. Next is another ETF, S&P 500. I've also got two financial companies, both PayPal and SoFi Technologies. Again, they're down a fair bit, 24% and 28% respectively. I've also got quite a few other sort of tech companies, and again, this is a general trend in my portfolio. I am quite tech heavy, so I have companies like Intel, AMD, Apple, Nvidia and Amazon. Again, much smaller positions compared to the ETFs, but again, I like to buy individual stocks. It kind of keeps me engaged, it keeps me interested, and I will continue to do so. I've also got Alibaba, which is a Chinese stock, but again, it's quite a small position in my portfolio, and I've started to invest in some UK companies, again, for more diversification. So I've bought Barclays and some shares of NatWest, and most likely in the coming months I will look to increase these positions, and they do give a fairly nice dividend as well. So that's my stocks and shares ISA account. Let's move on to the general investment account. The current value of this is £3,339. I do hold a fair bit of this as cash. I'm only down by £160. Walking through the current positions, you can see NEO is the biggest position in this account. On Freetrade, you're actually not allowed to buy NEO on your stocks and shares ISA account, so I've bought this in my general investment account. I'm currently unsure if I want to invest further into NEO and bring the average price of this stock down, but I'll see how the market plays out and the current situation with China. The next is S&P 500, again £285 worth, and I've got some of the tech giants such as Google, Amazon and Microsoft. So that's it for the walkthrough of both of my portfolios. As I said, I'll plan to create monthly updates just to see how this portfolio is performing, and hopefully continue to do so for years to come. Hopefully you found that useful, and stay tuned for the next video.